You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this French, originally professional basketball player, and yes, I've heard commentators in the US butchering his name. So let's learn how to say it correctly once and for all. The French pronunciation, the way he would say it himself in France, Zaccharie Risacher, okay, Risacher. Zaccharie Risacher, okay, so if you cannot pronounce French perfectly and you're not going to pronounce it that way, I would assume you can say it as Zaccharie, that's perfectly fine, Zaccharie Risacher, Risacher. Okay, the S is pronounced like a Z, CH is pronounced like SH, not Risacher or Risacher, Risacher. Zaccharie Risacher from French, Zaccharie Risacher with the Atlanta Hawks. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.